Today we're not talking about the screen, camera, performance, or battery here. Samsung has officially revealed the most significant Galaxy S24 series feature that you could have overlooked. They have officially launched the new age of Galaxy AI, which is beyond belief. This has the potential to drastically change how you use your phone in the most intelligent manner. This is the AI that Samsung has been developing for a long time, and the company claims that it will officially launch on smartphones in early 2024. This is obviously a hint that the S24 series will be the first Samsung phones to contain this feature. One of the many functions and advantages that Galaxy AI will provide is called AI Live Translate Call, which Samsung has officially revealed. This is absolutely crazy. Think that you are talking to someone in German, and their language is being translated into text and audio in real time. Better communication and real-time events without the need for any third-party applications are made possible by Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI claims to increase both your productivity and creativity. Even if Samsung withheld further information on the capabilities of Galaxy AI, they did present the Galaxy AI's foundation, the Samsung Gauss AI model. Therefore, we are almost certain to see ChatGPT-like AI implemented, where you can ask the AI any question and it will respond. Additionally, Samsung went above and beyond to add image generation AI to their Galaxy AI tool, where you can use AI to create new images as well as edit ones you already have. Finally, for those who are interested in development and coding, Galaxy AI will also assist you in writing codes in a variety of languages. We may see Google's blocked AI as well as the Microsoft AI tool being deployed on the Galaxy S24 series, as Samsung has officially acknowledged that the Galaxy AI is available to collaborate with other industry heavyweights, like as Google and Microsoft. The most significant and intriguing addition to the S24 lineup is this one. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.